Hello everyone, let's take a detailed look at how to operate and adjust this MIG welding machine. Interface functions demo. This welder offers 4 operating modes: SYNERGIC MIG mode, manual MIG mode, MMA mode, lift TIG mode. In MIG mode, you can select shielding gas of CO2, mixed gas, or gasless, and multiple wire diameters are available. Long press to toggle 2T, 4T modes. Long press again to confirm and exit. 2T mode. Press and hold to weld. Release to stop. 4T mode. Press to start welding. Press again to stop. Current will auto-match with material thickness. Long press to enable and adjust inductance. For voltage fine-tuning, turn off inductance first. Gas MIG welding. Aim at the workpiece seam. Press torch trigger to weld. Gas protection reduces spatter. Produces clean, aesthetic weld beads. Flux scored MIG welding. Aim at the workpiece seam. Press trigger to weld. Flux scored wire creates slag coating. Remove slag by chipping or grinding to reveal bright and clean welds. MMA welding. Clamp electrode with holder. Lightly touch workpiece to strike arc. Electrode melts, forming slag coating. Chip or grind off slag to reveal bright and clean weld bead. Lift TIG welding. Turn on torch gas switch. Touch tungsten to workpiece to auto-ignite arc. For wide seams, add filler wire manually. With argon gas protection and proper technique, you will get golden fish scale pattern welds. This is the user guide of ANDELI MIG 145AIR.